Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on a 2003 Cobra. Now, the problem was that when you accelerate, the car would sputter. Now, according to the chart, as throttle position went up, fuel pressure dropped. Now, fuel pressure started around 50-ish and then dropped around to 30s. So that tells me that something's wrong in the fuel line, or fuel pump, or fuel injectors. Now, upon visual inspection, I came across to notice that the boost regulator line was popped or squished or pinched, or however you want to say that, but it's popped. This is the problem. And using that data logging is how I identified the problem quickly. Speed Geek here. Thanks for watching.